What allows a flying machine to spot a moving target miles away, even in pitch-black darkness or through thick smoke? The answer lies in the powerful blend of advanced sensors and artificial intelligence. Military drones today don't just fly. They think, track, and react faster than any human pilot. They can scan vast areas, identify threats, and respond within seconds. But how exactly do these drones see their targets so clearly and know when to act? Let's uncover the fascinating science behind it. Number 1. The rise of AI in military drones. Artificial intelligence has completely reshaped military drones and modern warfare. Previously, drones relied fully on human pilots, but now they can act autonomously, making decisions with minimal human input. AI allows drones to navigate complex terrains, analyze massive data sets, and identify threats in real time. This innovation speeds up missions, increases accuracy, and keeps soldiers out of danger zones. Countries like the United States, Israel, and China have heavily invested in this technology, proving its worth in both surveillance and combat. By removing human limitations and enhancing precision, AI drones have revolutionized how militaries plan, execute, and dominate operations across today's battlefields. Number 2. The eyes of military drones, sensors, and vision systems. Military drones can see far beyond human limits through advanced vision and sensor technology. High-resolution cameras provide crystal-clear visuals, while infrared sensors detect heat signatures in total darkness. LiDAR creates 3D maps of rough terrains, and radar detects motion through rain, fog, and smoke. These sensors send massive data streams to AI systems that instantly analyze surroundings, distinguishing real threats from harmless objects. This technology enables drones to operate effectively in extreme weather, navigate tricky landscapes, and maintain consistent surveillance. By combining multiple sensor systems, military drones ensure accuracy, awareness, and operational safety, making them indispensable in modern defense and intelligence missions worldwide. Number 3. How AI identifies and tracks targets. AI's true power in drones lies in its ability to identify and track targets precisely. Using advanced machine learning, drones learn to recognize vehicles, weapons, soldiers, and even subtle environmental changes. When a potential target appears, the AI compares it to vast stored data to confirm whether it's a threat. For moving targets, the system predicts direction and speed, maintaining lock even when they try to hide. AI also ranks threats by priority, helping forces respond strategically. These actions happen in seconds, faster than any human could manage. Over time, AI improves with experience, becoming smarter and more reliable with each mission flown. Number 4. Machine learning. Machine learning gives drones the ability to learn from experience and become more effective with every mission. Instead of following rigid programming, AI drones gather insights from past data, such as weather, terrain, or enemy behavior, to adapt their strategies. For example, after encountering camouflaged threats once, they recognize them more quickly in the future. This adaptability allows drones to handle sudden challenges like smoke, jamming signals, or fast-moving enemies without direct human control. With every deployment, they refine their performance, improving navigation, accuracy, and decision-making. In short, machine learning transforms drones from simple tools into intelligent partners in complex military operations. Number 5. Precision strikes. AI-powered drones are experts in precision strikes that reduce civilian risk and prevent unnecessary destruction. By combining sensor data from radar, infrared, and optical cameras, they pinpoint targets even in smoke or rugged terrain. Before a strike, AI evaluates the environment, identifying civilians and adjusting angles or timing to avoid harm. It also calculates the exact trajectory, distance, and impact force needed for maximum accuracy. This ensures that missions are both strategic and ethical. These capabilities make AI drones vital assets for modern warfare, executing targeted attacks that protect innocent lives while ensuring critical objectives are achieved with minimal collateral damage. Number 6. Threat detection and rapid response. AI-powered military drones aren't just built for attack, they excel at detecting and responding to threats instantly. Using radar, thermal, and optical sensors, they constantly scan their surroundings for enemy aircraft, vehicles, or missile launches. Once a danger is identified, the AI predicts enemy movement and reacts in seconds, sometimes deploying countermeasures automatically. When operating in swarms, drones share data and coordinate responses, working together like a single intelligent force. This allows them to defend themselves and protect troops without delay. Their speed, communication, and precision make AI drones a powerful tool for both offense and defense in high-risk combat environments. Number 7. How AI drones changed warfare. AI drones have transformed how wars are fought across the globe. In Afghanistan, U.S. drones provided constant surveillance in rugged terrain, tracking threats without risking soldiers' lives. In the Middle East, precision strikes reduced civilian casualties. Israel's AI drones, integrated with the Iron Dome, intercept incoming rockets swiftly and effectively. Meanwhile, China's swarming drones overwhelm defenses using synchronized attacks. These advancements turned drones from support tools into central elements of modern warfare. Today, military operations are faster, more precise, and far less reliant on human presence, marking a major shift in global defense strategy and battlefield efficiency. Number 8. Benefits of AI-powered military drones. AI-powered drones deliver unmatched advantages on the battlefield. They take on dangerous missions like reconnaissance or targeted strikes, keeping soldiers out of harm's way. Unlike humans, drones never tire, allowing continuous operation for hours or even days. Their AI systems process information instantly, enabling quick, data-driven decisions. This reduces errors and minimizes collateral damage. They're also cost-effective, requiring less fuel, maintenance, and crew. One drone can perform multiple roles, from surveillance to combat, in a single flight. By combining endurance, speed, and precision, AI drones enhance both mission success and safety, making them essential tools in modern defense systems worldwide. Number 9. Challenges and ethical concerns. Despite their benefits, AI-powered drones raise complex challenges and moral questions. The biggest issue is accountability. If a drone makes a mistake, who takes responsibility for civilian casualties or unintended attacks? AI can misread data, causing deadly errors or escalating conflicts. Another risk is the spread of drone technology to rogue states or terrorist groups. Ethically, many question whether autonomous machines should decide who lives or dies. These issues demand strict regulations, international oversight, and transparency. Without them, the growing autonomy of AI drones could lead to uncontrolled consequences, threatening both human rights and global security in future warfare. Number 10. The future of AI in military drones. The next generation of AI drones will bring even greater autonomy, accuracy, and coordination. Advanced sensors will allow them to detect and analyze threats instantly, adapting to new environments in real time. Swarming technology will enable hundreds of drones to operate together, overwhelming enemy defenses through teamwork. These machines will require minimal human input, handling tasks like reconnaissance or defense automatically. However, this progress comes with growing concerns about misuse, hacking, and accidental escalation. Global powers must enforce strict ethical standards to manage their use responsibly. Still, one thing is certain: AI drones will define the future of warfare. AI-powered military drones have redefined modern warfare with their unmatched ability to see, track, and strike targets with speed and precision. While they save lives and improve mission success, they also raise important ethical and security concerns that must be addressed carefully. If you enjoyed learning about this cutting-edge technology, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious and informed.